All right, for those who might wonder, we're back at this particular place right here, which used to be called Convention Meeting and Banquet, which is now called Lucky Ages. I'm not sure if that's the actual name of the building, but here we have a ThyssenKrupp Aurora elevator. It's a glass elevator as well, and coincidentally, look at this. I'm actually wearing my TKE elevator jacket this time. This is gonna be an updated take. Let's right, here we go. Down lantern cap is missing. Window's kind of dirty. Look how deep that door jamb is. That's one of the deepest door jamb I've ever seen. Go for one more ride. All right, back down to one end there. Same cab, nothing has changed. There's a bunch of clothes. All right, there it goes, and that's it.